Hi, my name is Patrick. Planning to hold a CAT Math workshop and practice session that will help you hopefully improve your score during this last mile of CAT preparation. So, what is this workshop all about? So, let's try to understand that. So, we will be focusing on methods, not difficult sums. What is important in the CAT examination is to identify easy and medium level sums and try to solve it. So, idea is not to teach you complicated formulas, etc. The focus will be methods, to teach you methods, how to solve them easily, and get them right. That's all. So basically, again, the key to crack the CAT exam is to able to identify easy sums and solve them as quickly as possible in a minimum possible time. And that is what the workshop is all about, to teach you method that will help you. So how can you improve marks? One of the ways to improve marks is to find approaches that will help you solve more sums. I mean, normally in the CAT exam, what is seen, if you go back and analyze your past CAT papers, you see that there are simple approaches that helps you improve your scores. If you can focus on it, simple approaches, that will help you a long way. That will go a long way to help you improve. So find out good methods, right method that will help you solve things faster. Right? The idea is to approaches to solve more sums. Most sums in CAT can be easily be solved by different approaches. I mean, you do different approaches will help you solve as such. Look at alternate methods. Problem is that we normally look out for traditional methods, and CAT sums cannot be normally solved by traditional methods. It's very difficult. But if you look at simple logical way of solving, that would help you to solve the sums easily. So learning approach is one of the most important aspects about CAT preparation, right? And learning the methods. Okay, so if you can solve things faster, you'll obviously you'll get more time to solve more questions, and that is the key to get more marks. Also, apart from that, learning methods is not only sufficient, but you need practice to reinforce the methods. I learn a method, but then I forget about it. So therefore, you need practice session that will help you reinforce the methods to help you improve your scores. So basically, the workshops are 5 sessions of 1.5 hours each, conducted on weekends on 28, 29 October, 4th, 5th, 11th November. It will be at 7 to around 8:30 p.m. approximately. Okay, practice sessions are normally on weekdays from 9 to 10 p.m. So this is the timing as far as the workshop and the practice session is concerned. Right? Fees for a workshop 1200. If you include a Diala workshop, it's 2200. If you want workshop plus practice plus videos, advanced videos, the fees is 2900, and along with the DLR, the fees is 4900. That's the fees for the course. Right? You can buy the course at prep.patrick100.com, or you can contact us at 9821314788, or email at support@coinacademy.com. All the best.